Alright guys, so I received this whole bunch of items from Moody's Accessories Hub. It's super affordable. There's a bunch of things in here for content creation and my general lifestyle, thing that I feel like I need. Alright, so let's go in the box and see everything that came through. Alright, so let's go ahead and tear this box and see what we have in there. Like I said, there's a bunch of things in here, so you want to stick around and see some of the things that I got. And so the first one is this 8806 light stand, very quality light stand. I think I have one of this already, but I needed an extra one, so I'll be going through the prices, okay, just so if you need one you can go ahead and order yours as well. And so this light stand comes in quality material, feels very premium, and this is very solid. I think it can go all the way up, this thing is like almost the same as my height. I don't know if you can see me down there, but this thing is almost like my height, and I'm like 6 feet tall. That aside, let's go to the main thing and see some of the things that came through. So this Ultra HD projector, all right, this product, sometimes I'm lying here on my bed and I just want to watch something, okay. I'm not really a TV person, so maybe playing something on my phone or playing something from my computer, I can basically connect to this projector. Maybe I should open it so that you guys can see. I'll be doing like a proper review of each of the products, okay. But for now, just to run you guys through so you can see, this is the projector. Hopefully you guys can see it. Comes in very handy, and I feel like this is really going to make sense. All right, so yes, the next one is this smartphone magnetic neck holder. If you're a content creator, you know how very useful this is going to be, okay. I do product reviews a lot of the times, like reviewing mobile phones and all of that, and so I feel like this is really going to help me, because sometimes I'm shooting the video with one hand and I need to have the products in the other hand. Sometimes it's not very convenient, so getting this is really going to help. All right, so I can just stick it around my neck, drop the phone on, and yeah, so basically that is going to help. So this is the way it works. I don't know if you can see, but like you can see here, hanging around the neck, all of that. So yes, this is really going to help. And then I got myself a 30,000 milliamps power bank, okay. And guys, this is the real deal. You're never going to run out of juice if you get this. All right, so the next thing that came in is this music level light. Very tiny, but comes in very handy. What this does is that as you speak or as you play music, it kind of lights up, and guys, it's just fun. And you know what, let me just turn it on so you can see. So I just turn it on, and it has a mic that picks my sound, okay. So yeah, I'm quiet, so yeah, that's how it works. And for this one, you might not think I have any use for it, but I do, which is why I got it. So I'm just going to stick it around here so that as and when I sort of play music or something, watch video or anything, it kind of picks the sound and then blows up like that. I hope you can see this very well. I'm going to do another video of this so that you guys can see it very well. So, but yes, that's what I'm going to use this for. So the next thing is this mighty C7 AI fish tracking gimbal. Guys, I knew that I didn't get a wrong thing when I chose this product, all right, because I kind of watch videos online before buying these things, okay. And You know, the fun part is they are super affordable. All right, they are super affordable. So I'm going to review it so you guys can take a look at it. But you know, just so you know, this is the charger, because of course you charge it. So you put your phone there, and anywhere you go, it kind of follows you. So like once I mount my camera here, when I move this way, the thing would also move. When I move that way, it also move. And so I feel like this is really going to help if you know, sort of like doing vlogs, or sometimes even when I'm doing my product reviews, I kind of move around. Okay, and so this is really going to be very useful. All right, so yeah, I'll do a proper review again so you guys can look at it. That aside, I also got this tiny you know, ring light. So when I'm live on TikTok, there's no need for me to light up the whole place, like everything, you know. So I just need like a small, you know, ring light I can put here, or I can put here or somewhere, you know, just so I'm looking good. All right. So yeah, basically that's it for this particular product. I don't want to keep this video very long, and so the next one is, guys, this quality professional, you know, photo and video light kit. It comes in very handy. I got two of this actually. I got the big one and I got the small one. Both of these products are RGB. Let me just open one just so you know. All right, so it comes with this, you know, tiny bag, everything in one. So it helps you, you know, keep everything in here organized. If you sort of have to travel or anything like that, you just put everything together and then you can move. All right, so this is how it looks like as well. You know, this way, to sort of direct the light. And guys, I know this can go all the way up to around 800 you know, nits, and I feel like this is a very good product, though I've not used it. But you know, seeing it this way, I feel like this is very good. So I mean, if you're a content creator, all right, and you need anything, just hit up Moody Accessories Hub, all right, and she's gonna search you. She's got everything that you need. Like, come to think about it, everything that you need, she's gonna search you. So actually, this one comes with a battery, and so yeah, you can use it outdoor if you have to do like a shoot on the beach or something where you don't have any electricity. You can basically put this juice in here, two of them. It comes with a free charger as well. So guys, you are never going to run out of juice. Two strong batteries, fix them here and you are good to go. And this stand goes with the light. Okay, so like, you know, just fix it on it like that and you should be good. These were the things that I got from Moody Accessories Hub. All right, if you need the prices of everything that I got here, I'm going to leave the prices at the end of the video, and so just make sure you go through and then see which one interests you and you can pick it up. All right, so basically that should be it for this video. Just hold on to the reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Signing out.